with Mountain Gardener. Today is Wednesday, April the 24th. We've been kind of on a little short vacation, and the garden has been unattended for a little bit. So we're going to take and go through and walk and see what's going on. I have a feeling it's not going to be pretty, but this is the way it is when you go off and leave the garden unattended. So anyway, let's go in and see what we got. Okay, now's the scary part. Let's go in the greenhouse. Wow. Okay. No surprise. Hot, hot, hot. Broccoli needs watering. Tomato needs to be out. I'm going to bring it out. I've lost a bunch of plants. Yes, I have. It's my fault. Nobody else's. It's mine. But when you play, you pay. Okay, let's look at our winter sow system here using the jugs. Let's look, see what's going on. I have a few plants in them. I'll let you know the verdict on that later, what I think about it, or what. It's been unattended, so may not look pretty. We're going to go right on up the line here. We've got, looks like the garlic. My asparagus has not come up yet. Moving right on up the line here. I ain't mistaken, that could be a sunflower, but we'll see. Looks like I've lost some plants. My onion's looking pretty good. Needs a little weeding. It does. I've been out of the garden for a little while. Broccoli looking pretty good. God needs a little weeding. It does. Oh my goodness, look at this tomato plant popping through right there. Wow. Looking pretty good. My peas are looking pretty good. Peas coming right on up there. Let's look at the bucket garden, see how it's doing here. Looks like the potatoes are doing pretty good. And looks like that's a broccoli maybe. May have lost something right there. Walk on around here. I'm going to wait and save the greenhouse for last because I'm scared of looking at it. My beans. These are Kentucky Wonder beans. Actually, they're looking pretty good. They are actually looking pretty good. Oh my goodness. Look at the turnip greens. We'll be having a mess of greens. Strawberries are blooming. Yeah, it's a little weedy. Come on around here. Onions looking good. Cabbage and broccoli looking good. Need to do some weeding. Cabbage and broccoli looks like I lost a few plants. But the thing about it is I do everything natural, and here's something else. This garden has not been attended for 3-4 weeks. I planted it, and here it is. So really and truly, it's not growed up that bad, but in my book, it is. Look at the onions. The onions doing pretty good. Front porch is growed up a little bit. Square foot garden bed looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I got that covered up. Onions right there looking pretty good. Strawberries trying to bloom. Got my potatoes coming right along. Now this first row of potatoes right here, this doesn't have anything growing in it. This was, and there are, no, that's something else. I don't know what happened to them, but I'm going to dig in and find out. This is old seed, and it was just a test. I need to plant some more potatoes if I can find the seed. Grapevine is greening up a little bit. So is the weeds and stuff below it. My raspberries is coming on. And I've got plenty of weeds. That's okay. My burn stove growed up. Look right here and see what we've got. Compost looking good. Alright. Blackberries trying to green up a little bit. Well, you can say I've got my work cut out for me. Yes, I do. Okay, here's the thing. We've been camping for a week or 2, 3, and my greenhouse, I've lost a bunch of plants. I have. My fault. If you got a garden, you can't, especially a greenhouse, you can't just walk away. Now, I did come in once a week. Once a week's not enough. It's not. I've got to come up with some kind of a system to continuous water. Now, what I've done is my wicking system that I had did not work. So I've got to come up with something a little bit different. Anyway, I expected this, so we'll take and we'll figure out something and we'll move on. Anyway, thanks for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener, and if you like this, please like and subscribe. And if you want to leave comments, that'd be great. Suggestions always helpful. Anyway, happy gardening.